The Justice Department on Wednesday said it was searching for Civil Rights Division lawyers to investigate a single complaint involving Asian American students in a college admissions affirmative action case. In a statement, the department sought to play down its recruitment of Civil Rights Division lawyers for what it had billed in an internal announcement as work on investigations and possible litigation related to intentional race-based discrimination in college and university admissions. The Justice statement was responding to news articles on Tuesday about the project to scrutinize affirmative action admissions policies that seek to maintain diverse student bodies by giving an edge to members of disadvantaged or underrepresented groups, like Black or Latino students, over other applicants with comparable or better test scores. The New York Times first reported on an internal announcement for employees to be detailed to work on that project, framing it as apparently being about hunting for practices deemed to discriminate against white people. A Washington Post article about the project cited an unnamed official who also described the project in such terms. A Justice Department spokeswoman, Sarah Isgur Flores, said on Wednesday that news media reports about the investigation were inaccurate. The department had refused to provide details about the project on Tuesday. Ms. Flores said the personnel announcement sought volunteers to investigate one admissions complaint filed on behalf of Asian Americans who alleged racial discrimination in a university's admission policy and practices. She said the department had not received or issued any directive, memorandum, initiative or policy related to university admissions in general. The Times report did not say that the department had, but noted that it was preparing to redirect agency resources towards scrutinizing university affirmative action practices. The announcement, a copy of which was obtained by the Times, said division lawyers interested in working on the topic are to submit resumes by August 9. Several current and former Civil Rights Division employees greeted the department's statement on Wednesday with skepticism. The personnel announcement said it was seeking multiple lawyers to work on investigations, plural. It also indicated that the project will be run the division's front office, where Trump administration political appointees work, rather than by the division's educational opportunities section, where career civil service lawyers normally handle university-related complaints. I am skeptical of the explanation that this detailed announcement would be for the investigation of one single complaint, said Justin M. Levitt, a former Deputy Assistant Attorney General in the division in the Obama administration. To have that structure to investigate a single complaint, outside the normal chain of command for career attorneys who investigate these sorts of complaints all the time, that's quite weird. Separately, Roger Clegg, a former top official in the Civil Rights Division during the Reagan and first Bush administrations who is now the president of the Conservative Center for Equal Opportunity, had welcomed the development on Tuesday as long overdue. On Wednesday, he said he hoped the project would end up being more than a single investigation. I hope that the administration will be investigating more than one case, because I think there is more than one case that merits investigation, he said. He added that he hoped the statement does not reflect a retreat from the willingness to be politically incorrect. Ms. Flores's statement described the investigation as an administrative referral about a complaint filed by 64 Asian American coalitions in May 2015 and that alleges racial discrimination against Asian Americans in a university's admission policy and practices. That description dovetails with a dispute at Harvard University that led to a still pending lawsuit filed on behalf of such students. The Justice Department, to date, has not intervened in that litigation or filed a friend of the court brief.